My name is Bill Fisher. This demo covers walk cycles using Adobe Animate. You can see I've created a very simple walk cycle here with my chicken character. In order to see the walk cycle, I can choose loop, make sure that the looping distance covers the entire cycle. Choose the return key, and there's my little walk. Now that's a pretty quick walk. If I want them to walk a little bit more slowly, I can simply spread these keyframes out. I'm going to put in 2 regular frames here and move this out. These 2 frames are doing the same work as these 2 frames right there. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's a little bit slower. I added a little bit of head and arm motion in my cycle to make it a little bit more lifelike. I'm going to select this column and, holding the Option key down, make duplicates of them right here. That way I won't get a kind of a snap back when I go through the loop. When I do that, I get a little bit of hesitation because the first frame and the last frame are identical. So what I'm going to do is select all of these frames right here. I'm going to go to Modify Timeline, and I'm going to convert them to keyframes. Then I'm going to eliminate this last column and remove these frames. And now I will not get the hesitation. Right now our chicken is walking in place. Let's see if we can get them to move across the stage. I'm going to select all these frames. I'm going to copy them. Then I'm going to insert a new symbol. That's going to be a graphic symbol. I'll call it walking. And inside of this new symbol, I'm going to paste those frames. So now I have my walk cycle inside of this symbol. Let's go back to the main timeline and let's make a new layer called walking. And let's remove all of these original layers. We're not going to need them anymore because we're going to go to our library and drag this walking symbol onto our stage. And you'll see that that now takes the place of all the individual layers. I can turn my loop feature off now because this animation is going to loop automatically as long as we're running down the timeline. Let's see if we can get the chicken to move from left to right. I'm going to go down to frame 20, insert a keyframe, and then I'm going to move the chicken a little ways. Put in a classic tween, and let's see what we have. That chicken looks like it's sliding quite a bit. That means I'm going to need to move this keyframe. Let's try moving this keyframe down to about 40. Now we can play it back and see that's better, but it's still sliding just a little bit. Let's try 50. That looks just about right. Now this timeline may continue and some other action may be occurring once the cycle stops. So if I want to stop these legs, what I need to do is choose our chicken character, go over here to looping in the properties menu, choose place single frame, and that chicken will stop moving its legs when we want the chicken to stop walking. Well, that wraps up the demo for today. Thanks for watching.